please, if we
Uh,
like to say, yeah.
Good evening to all. Thank you so much, Mr. Vitab sir, and entire the team, and especially my colleagues. Actually, we were together going to become a master black belt, and we learn a lot from this. Last almost 4 weeks, it was great journey, and I'm sure it will be more great journey will be ahead. So thank you so much for Anexas and Amitabh sir. I personally actually we had great meeting, and we will sure also hopefully in the next week or coming week we will meet, and all together what we got this knowledge and this the experience we'll try to spread and try to create more the person who can help the organizations in coming years. So thank you so much, Amitabh sir, and entire team actually. And of course I would like to appreciate my colleagues also. They throughout this journey they are also remarkable. So thanks to everyone.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thank you, Mr. Amitabh, for the great experience that you shared with us. And what I liked the most about this course really was your explanation. You explained complex things in a very easy way, and that is what I did like the most about this course. Thank you, and I hope to apply the knowledge that we all gained from this course in our work to improve our processes and performance. And obviously, to be also certified master black belts, and to use the knowledge also to spread this knowledge of Lean and Six Sigma, because it's required. Nowadays, Six Sigma is required everywhere, and the demand is very high. We also like to, and we hope to share this knowledge with our colleagues, and also as trainers with you, or hopefully with you, inshallah, in the coming endeavors. And yes, that is all. Thank you, Mr. Amitabh.
It's been a great, experience over the last 4 weeks, right? The way, and then specifically, I did my black belt also with you, right? So the way you explain things, even complex statistics, it was quite good, right? So it's in a much simple form and comprehensible to all, right? So that's what others also said, right? It's a great experience. Your nature of explaining, the jovial nature, right? That's quite appreciable. The patience which you have when people ask questions, right? And you go till the time people understand everything. So that's something which is commendable. And yeah, hope to have a great future. Maybe we'll try to meet sometime. But yes, it has been a great experience learning with you till now.
Thank you for the wonderful opportunity, Amitabh sir. Actually, first and foremost, I wanted to thank the team and also as well as the marketing guy who referred me to this program for the Lean and Six Sigma. Like it was throughout, like I've started from the green belt, from green belt to master black belt, like all the things and all the tools which were used in this program and which were taught and which were imposed to us to learn. It was like very very good, and it was very useful to use in my own organization. I mean, like the place where I'm working now. Like it was very useful, and throughout my entire career from the green belt to this master black belt.
As a manager, I want to share one thing to my colleagues, my friend on team. The important subject is anything about that Six Sigma. I explain him what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage, and how they have a capable to do this. And when convinced and open-minded, the manager, he accepted. What I am telling you, before starting any project, should convince and clear the top management to supporting to all of the project, entire the project, okay? Because I, as a manager, sometimes maybe don't believe about the advantages of these changes. The changes is very important for master black belt, because master black belt is different, totally different with black belt and green belt, and he should consult on the management and the board only think about the benefit, the profit, and the market share. And if we say this is the sigma, this is the lean, it's not useful and applicable for them. At the first, we must do the changes in the organization. We have to do the changes and provide circumstances for the changing and accepting these changes. After that, they will announce, okay, very good. It is good approach to increase our benefits, and they will accompany themselves. It is
Yeah,
my
in fact,
another point. Sometimes some people started, for example, Six Sigma, but no need Six Sigma for this project. You can solve with another styles or approaches or methods. Okay, distinguishing which method, in fact, selection method is very important. This is the second point that it was my experience. Sometimes you should check and change the mind and change the culture and solve the problem. No need Sigma, no need Lean, and maybe you use as a consultant the mix and many of the Lean tools, for example, or Six Sigma tools to solve the problem. No need DMAIC or MAIC, and also sometimes everybody should know, for example, for aerospace, for pharmacology, for shipping, DMAIC or MAIC or IDOV, or which method is better? The selection and the right selection is the very, very important to start the project and solving it.
great.
Also,
great.
I appreciated of your good teaching and your accompanying with me and our groups from yellow belt till now. And I hope so see you in my country to starting in new Annexas offices. Thank you very much. Have a good
Great.
time.
Thanks a lot.